Meanwhile, more condemnation of yesterday's mob killing in Stirling Castle, St. Andrew. 27-year-old Miguel Williams was beaten to death, then set on fire by angry residents who believe he withheld information about the death of Shantae. His house, a small board structure, was also burnt to the ground. The attack came despite pleas from the police for persons not to take matters into their own hands. Member of Parliament for St. Andrew West Rural, Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, weighed in.
We don't want any more of this to happen. We don't want anyone that is possibly innocent for you to take their life. And so I'm appealing to all the residents here to just let the police know what you know, to help the investigation, because that's what we want. We want justice to be served, but we want justice to be served and the right person to be put away.